What's up, man? It's Mr. Fireworks himself, Young Fire. I'm out here with the homie, Young Fuego, like let go. Chilling with the homie Fuego, Wordsmith. Cue him to redeem. We out here for Christ, man. This is the word on the street. I'm scared.
And made it brand new. I didn't want to change, bro. Yeah, I like my attitude. I was addicted to self. Couldn't put it on the shelf. So I brought it to the altar and I watched it melt. Now I'm covered in his blood. I'm living in his love. Now I'm walking these streets telling people what he's done. The end days are here and that's when he'll judge. I got compassion for you. Cause when you where I was, clouded from the blood, slurring from the suds, eyes redder than the blood, ice fluid in the club.